Hello everyone, in this video we're going to talk about how to make a Facebook page. So, once we're in the Facebook app, we're going to go in the top right corner right here and search on the menu, and right here it's going to be page. So once we're in this page, to make a page, it's going to ask for a page name, a category and a bio. So let's just type in my page, category, let's do tourism, I don't know. Tourist Information Center, and for bio we're just gonna say hello and create page. There, the page was created, and now it's just gonna ask for contact details, so website, phone number, email, location, city, no hours available. Yeah, and basically it's going to ask about questions about your page, so you're gonna add a picture and all that. It's basically how you would set up any other profile. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Leave a like, share, subscribe, and have a great day. See you.